Join us for our last week of van life traveling across South Africa. We are Michael and Acacia, and this is our van Yeti. With only 3 days to temporarily kit out the van, we hit the road.
For the past 2 months, we've explored the Western Cape. We visited 23 campsites, clocking up 4,000 kilometers.
This week we make our way up the coastline, stopping along scenic beaches amongst the wildlife.
For our first glimpse of the ocean, we camped at Aqua Eden, new to both of us.
We strolled down to the beach and a large river mouth at the foot of the cliffs. The rock formations were jagged with hints of orange. Camp is located at the top with vast ocean views, perfect for sunsets.
We then headed up the coast to Buffelskop. With 500-meter beach access, we enjoyed the sandy shores along with rock pools, creating natural pools to swim in.
Arriving at the Krom River, we quickly noticed that it was a good spot for fishing. Perched along the river just outside of Jeffreys Bay, with jetties to park your boats at right outside camp.
Being back in the Eastern Cape after 2 months, we knew it would be worth a stop at Addo. The campsite is situated inside the reserve, fenced off for safety, with a swimming pool for residents.
The gates into the reserve change depending on the season, which means you can enjoy sunset drives no matter the time of the year.
Addo is known for their immense amount of elephants, which did not disappoint us. We encountered multiple, along with 5 big cats, buffalo herds, baby zebras, and tortoises.
The great thing about doing game drives with your house in the back is that you can stop anywhere and enjoy a cup of freshly brewed Arrow coffee.
Before heading to our hometown, we made one more stop at Willows Park in Port Alfred. This campsite is a piece of land stretching into the Cowie River, with panoramic views of the lagoon.
We hope you enjoyed the ride with us as we explored places through the Western Cape, new to both of us.
This was our last week living in the van, as you know it. We will be making our way up to Underberg in the coming weeks to finish the conversions into a full off-grid home on wheels.
We're excited to take you along the build process as we learn, make mistakes, and transform our vision into reality. Subscribe to follow along.